Hello everyone, this is Silly. Today we are testing the 800-ton container top panel press machine. Our machine is built by high quality steel panel, and the hydraulic cylinder is replaced by oil cylinders. It has 5 cylinders. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the hydraulic system device arranged on the right side of the machine. It is driven by two 30 kW motors. 1, 2. And this is the screen. We use brand is 信捷 here. Now we look at the background. And we have two sides of the panel. This is first one. The length is 3 meters. And two sides. The length is 1.5 meters. Today sharing video is over. See you next time. Bye bye. 100-ton container top panel press machine. Our machine need to manual feeding. After press the groups, we need to push the material manuals. And you can see our finished product. The roof is very smoothly. Finally, you can see the finished product